You have to take these.
I'll go first, man. You recording this time?
Hey,
Yes.
Smash Cylinder shot 1, 2.
See ya.
3, I think.
It's at 2. Some uses at 2. Jones, you go in that kid's dick.
Did he leave you all his stuff?
Yeah.
Dude, that kid's dumb.
He likes this dude. You can
There's
tell.
nothing I want. There's nothing I want in you.
I'm going first, yo.
What?
You know exactly stuff.
So I'll start
Kids
out
are
with this
huge.
set and this set, and you can go.
I thought it was related.
Dude, look at that
to
blonde girl.
Solder.
You see that blonde girl?
It's the same hair and everything.
Dude, would you bang that blonde girl out there?
What?
One standing. Would you bang that blonde girl and then standing?
That's depressing.
The
Okay.
tall one.
Oh. Draw.
That's a mom.
Yeah.
See,
That's what we thought that one day.
special joke.
It was the
normal
other
joke.
day. Had a picture of her baby,
Saber hole.
Oh,
but it was
really?
the son.
Saber hole?
That tricked me. That tricked me.
Seriously?
He's like, she's a MILF. I was like,
Alright, then
let's
go.
find out.
Jerk.
It's like, that's my brother.
Yeah,
No
I'm like,
brother.
I'm like, is that really your son? She's like, yeah. I'm like,
Differential.
that's awesome. She's like, I'm just kidding, it's my brother. And I'm like,
I'll get my saying in.
Danny, let me see your box account.
Box of condoms?
Snipe hunter.
I'm not gonna give this. I'm not
Damn.
gonna give this kid anything more than you.
Like gloves.
You can eat your pants away. I want to do this.
Okay, I take 13.
My mom
Draw face.
tried to,
on Facebook.
my mom was like, you want to go to Richmond with me? I need to go get like hair supplies and we can go to Walmart and get popcorn. I was like, I don't have any money. She's like, oh.
Draw 3.
Because I always tell her
Jump
like,
cards to my hand.
I want
Okay.
some money to buy pack cards. It's like, okay.
My mom
Coke
started
for
doing this one
15.
thing. Those three pack
Go,
box
dude.
sets.
Yeah.
If we go to Walmart,
Okay.
she'll usually like buy me a pack if I have no money. But now if I do have money, she'll pay like half the box
Okay,
price,
Garbage pack
and then I pay
special.
the other half. So I get a box set. I'm like, yeah.
Synchro for 6.
Pretty good still.
She pays 5, I pay 5. Well, she pays a little more than 5.
How much is this box set?
$9.97.
Yeah, I only if that goes
Oh.
off, chain threatening.
Like the X-Saber Power Up, something like that?
Yeah.
Saber
But
slash
Storm of Ragnarok, so you get 3
sure.
packs. And all this.
Storm of Ragnarok has that now?
Yeah.
Where at?
Walmart.
Good thing I've got
Like,
Richmond might have it.
Target
Carnegie
backboard.
has it.
Carnersville barely has anything.
Carnivale's got a lot of stuff now. They got the new Magic Duel decks and they got the new Pokemon decks and all the other crap. They got a bunch of new stuff.
Like, I've been there like,
Yunlei.
it's been a while, but last time I went,
Target Yunlei.
they had like the 3D packs.
to kill it. Target. X-Saber.
The rest was
All
nice.
night.
Full house.
Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it.
Look. Please. Take home. Why wouldn't you take home?
There's probably there's
Yunlei.
You know what that is?
Fast. Did I normal this turn? Yeah, I normal not to snipe. Yeah, go. Oh my god, it's Yunlei number 2.
What?
No.
Oh shit! Oh, that sucks.
You owe me 2 bucks.
Yes, that's the start.
2-5 of my hunter. Go. Oh my god, did that just happen?
Well, that's perfect.
No wonder it weighs so much.
Okay.
You can distance.
Level 8?
You can distance
More to
tomato.
make than they are worth.
Yeah. To bring back.
Okay. Not if he's only the. He has to be the only creature I have on the field. And that blows.
I'm gonna see how much those are.
Okay. No, dude, I'm gonna switch to defense.
Okay.
Go.
Nice.
Draw. Alright. Son of a bitch.
19? Hey William, you have a quarter?
No. I don't have any money. Well, I do.
38?
I'm not giving it to you.
My dude.
I put my money in my account.
I have a quarter. You guys are lying.
Will's turn, correct?
I really
I'm not
don't have any
lying.
money.
Okay.
He spent his money on tux.
I put a down payment of 40
Go.
bucks on it. I gotta pay the other.
Jump.
30.
Jump, jump,
Seven.
jump, jump, jump.
Pick it up.
I know you're gonna negate, but
I'm
attack.
on a 40 on
Go.
what?
My prom tux.
You definitely play
From here?
that. I want you to play
Yeah.
that.
What?
Because.
Why? He's got a Fitzgerald, and I can just.
What's going on? What is it? I wanna see.
Well, here's one.
I wanna see.
Take a sip out of it.
I'm curious.
Well, get over here where I don't show. I don't think it's gonna matter anyway.
It's something stupid.
Oh, it does.
Something stupid.
You know, I can give him psychics. Dude, he loves that damn color. I have to. He's like, I love my colors. Did I leave my house as like flash for a pop fighter here the other day? I can't find it. I think you traded him to Ben Costa, didn't you?
Synchro for 9.
I traded him to No, I don't remember.
Attack. This card
Do
is
you have to
special.
get 3 draining shields?
What was the difference?
Maybe.
25. Or the difference was 6.
Just because I can.
Jesus Christ.
Go.
I told you something stupid.
Set, go. Saw that one.
Rats!
Rats. What's my life at before you minus it?
12. That's what now.
What was it, 26? Then book it before I take damage.
No, it is 26.
98?
Set, go. Send the shot. I want that to be in the shot.
Saw a video like this once.
What, when no one had anything?
No. The kid had one face down. Yeah, kid
Oh,
had
that's
Sangan. He's
cool.
like,
Okay.
Protector Sangan. He's like, Mirror Force. Kid commented on it. He's like, you're a dumbass.
Okay.
I go.
Waste of materials.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Mirror.
And that's pretty much how this went down.
Go.
Go.
Ah,
Let's try this again.
No! Go. That's game for rat.
game.
Well, you're an idiot.